Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 3133 minimum array n, and in this we are given two positive integers n and x, and we have to construct an array of positive integers nums of size n, where for every 0 less than or equal to I less than n minus 1, nums I plus 1 should be greater than nums of I, and the result of the bitwise AND operation between all the elements of nums is x. This is like a predefined condition which is given, and we have to return the minimum possible value of nums of n minus 1, basically the last number which we will be having. So for example, we are having n equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. So the nums can be 4, 5 and 6, and we have to return the last element, which is 6, and the basically the and of this comes out to be 4. So how I can, okay, I'll just give like proper demonstration. So if we'll do a 4 and 5, so that will be like 4 is represented in, let's say, 100, and 5 is 101, so this will become 4. Yeah, and then we are having a and of 4 and 6, so again 4 is represented as 100, and you have to do it with 1 1 1 0. So yeah, again it will become 4. So yeah, x is already defined that it is 4. Okay, so firstly let's have a long result, or let's say long answer, which is initially x, and given the condition that the next number is greater than the previous number. Okay, so we'll be iterating it over like n minus 1 times. So while minus n is greater than 0, what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my answer by answer plus 1, previous answer plus 1, and doing it XOR with x, and at the end I'll just return my answer. Now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works probably fine as well, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.